Alright guys, what is up? I have a rant on this beautiful day. I don't know if you guys can see it in the back. It is foggy. We need to have a quick talk here about sales. Goodness, I had the worst experience today. Okay, so here's the deal. I had two cables that I needed to get. Okay, I needed a USB-C or an HDMI mini to go to a female audio plug for my GoPro because I like to do some vlogs, right? It's part of my business. Connect the projector over to my laptop so I can go ahead and display the fights. Right, because we had a video review night. So I needed an HDMI, regular HDMI, to a USB-C or to an HDMI mini, right? Here's the deal. I go into Best Buy first, right? Because it's the day of, didn't realize it wasn't going to work with the projector, so I need a cable, a short notice, and I go into Best Buy, right? I said, okay, yeah, go look in this area. So I walk in, okay, I walk over there, a guy comes up to me, it's like Home Depot. Everyone walks up to me and, can I help you with something? I need to find this cable. I explain my situation, I explain exactly what I need. Here's what I get. Yeah, no, we don't carry that. Okay? That's incredibly helpful, thank you so much. I didn't actually say it. What I said was, okay, what about this? And I tried to explain it a different way because he didn't quite get what I was saying. Okay, this guy's probably, I want to say, late 20s, early 30s. So I scanned, well, can I get this cable? Because I said, can I get the USB-C to HDMI? I can connect it, yada yada. No, we don't really carry that. Like literally, I've been talking to this guy for like 5 minutes. The only words I've heard out of his mouth are, no, we don't carry that. He goes, well, look, I think there's a different way to do this. Here's his response. I kid you not. I can't really tell what you're saying right now, but whatever you buy, if you want to just give them my name at the front, that'd be great. And then walks away. Walks away. So not only is he not going to help me, now he wants commission off of what it is that I'm going to buy there, if I buy anything. I'm a little hot over this because I work in person-to-person sales. Personal training and promoting is all person-to-person sales, right? That's like my bread and butter. So I'm already a little hot about this as it is. I walk around, no cables that I can find are going to work. So I'm in the audio department, so I'm like, okay, well, I can't find my HDMI cable, so I'm at least going to try to find my USB-C to female audio adapter, right? So I can hook in my mic. And I go over and talk to two gals there. Hey, so I see that you have an iPhone port to a female audio plug for a jack. Do you have the same thing for essentially what's like a Motorola style plug or to USB-C? Both of them in unison. No, we don't really carry those things. They haven't even looked around, right? So I say, okay, well, can you look to see if I can order it here? No, I don't think we carry it. They won't even go look on their own site to see if they can order it in, right? So yeah, your best bet is just go look on Amazon. We don't really carry those. So I walk out. I'm not particularly excited about it. It is gorgeous out, by the way. Just Montana, wow. So they're not even going to try to get their own store sales. So I leave and decide to go to Walmart, okay? I'm horribly disappointed in Best Buy salespeople. Not only did they not know what I was looking for and weren't able to help me, but on top of that, they just decided by default, instead of looking it up or trying to find someone that knew what I was talking about, just go to Amazon. So they're losing sales right there. Like, honestly, it's such a better idea to just hire a 13 or 14-year-old who knows what I'm talking about, because I'll guarantee that they'll know exactly what I'm talking about and be able to help me. Okay, so I go into Walmart. I walk in there. I start looking around. Guy walks out. Some nice-looking pants, black button-up. I'm like, oh, okay, hopefully I got a hold of the manager or someone. Explain the same situation, okay? Here's what I'm looking for. No, we don't really carry that. Like, you've got to be kidding me. How'd you even become a manager? He said, oh yeah, I'm the manager of the electronics department. How? I don't understand. I seriously don't understand. Like, if all you do is like sell iPhones, or is that how they dictate like who gets the position, who doesn't? Because you know nothing. And he's like, oh, you're talking about Thunderbolt. Yada, yada, yada. Goes on, and he's like super condescending. No, what you're looking for is that. No, look, I know exactly what I'm looking for. The GoPro and the projector have they have an HDMI plug, or you can use a VGA, which was not going to help me in this instance. And on the GoPro, you have a mini HDMI, and then you have a USB-C. On the GoPro Hero 5 Black, that's what you have on the side. That's it. Kills me. So, okay, so can you help me with my audio issue? I explained that to him. No, we don't carry that, man. Sorry, you can't use that here. We don't have the product. Go check on Amazon. Another Amazon support. I think this is why Amazon's doing so well, is because all these people aren't even promoting their own businesses. They're not even going to help try to order something or try to sell something. They just go to Amazon. Just go to Amazon. Broke your leg. Go to Amazon. Crash your car. Go to Amazon. They'll have it. Amazon's the best. Marriage falling apart. Amazon can help you. Go buy a counselor. But seriously, that's like everybody's. So I storm out of there. So I go We can call it my dad. My dad has a minor in computer networking and engineering, from my understanding. And even if he doesn't, he still knows more than everybody else I've ever talked to in the electronics department. Plus, he's a hustler. So I go, hey, look, Dad, here's the issue. These are the cables I need. He goes, oh, yeah. No, been there, done that. Here's what I would do. He explains it to me. I get back to Beast. I'm looking around. Turns out we happen to have a smart TV, and I'm able to log onto YouTube and play the video, and I actually can skip the whole process. But my dad happens to have a cable that works for it. We didn't end up needing it, but he had it, and he walked me through exactly what it is I could do, and we got it solved. Okay, why? Because that's what hustlers do. We figure it out, and we make it happen. Here's the thing about sales, okay? Here's like the whole point of everything I'm saying is this right here, okay? In sales, right, is someone that's I didn't even think my whole life was gonna be built around sales, but it is right now. Like literally, it's selling myself as an individual in my training, okay? Whether it's boxing or promoting an event. Even if you don't think you can do it, even in your heart of hearts, if you don't think you have a product or you can't make it happen, you still don't say no. You never, ever say no. You will always try to find a way to make it happen. And even if you can't, you're gonna go find someone who you think can answer their question and hook them up. You never, ever say, no, go look at Amazon. Okay, that's how business is. If every time a person came to me and said, can you fix my squat? Can you help me lose weight? X, Y, Z, whatever, in the training field. If I ever, at any point, said, go look on Amazon, they'd look at me like I'm crazy, right? A little bit. You never do that, ever. I say, yes. Okay, perfect example right here. Okay, dealt with this the other day. I had a client come up to me and said, I'm really not happy with where I'm at, not losing weight, X, Y, Z, I need to go somewhere else. I said, great, okay. Not working with me, I totally get it. I know some people that I think might be better at this than me. I'll introduce you to them. We'll figure it out because I still want to help you get plugged in with the right trainer for your health and fitness goals. Turns out, he just wasn't monitoring his nutrition plans. Boom, started losing weight, hit his goals, but he stayed with me because the fact that I was willing to help him out, find the right trainer. Even though it was taking business away from me, I still want to make sure that person was plugged in at the right spot and not taken advantage of. I didn't say no. Right? I said, you know what? I will help you get plugged in where you need to get plugged in, and then we'll go from there. And then I retained a client. It was great. Whole point of this whole thing. Please, if you are in sales, don't say no. It doesn't work. If you're in sales, you're having issues, maybe that's why. Because at every time someone needs some Amazon, it doesn't work. Please don't. You guys have a great day. If you disagree with me, write it in the comments and tell me what you think. Because I think I'm right on this one. And if you don't think I'm right, go ahead, tell me. I want to hear it. Let's start a discussion.